Hi everyone! By now you've come up with at least 3 questions that you still wonder about related to your model. As scientists, this is the point where our community comes in. We want to share our questions with each other, decide which questions are the most important to answer, and come up with a plan to investigate and find the answer to our questions. You'll also need to think about whether and how you can investigate each question. Some of this may depend on your resources, like the time that you have available. Some of it may also depend on the supplies that you have access to or the information that you're able to gather. You may decide that some questions are simply too big or that you only have time to focus on 1 or 2, and that is okay. In order to help you answer some of your questions that you might have about your models, we put together a few investigations for some common questions about the ecosystem here in Morrow Canyon. These investigations will help you get a closer look at specific parts of the system that might affect how our native plants grow in our experiment. You may also have had questions that we don't have an investigation for, and that is totally okay too. It is awesome that you're coming up with such interesting and unique questions. When you're ready, move on to the next slide to choose your questions and come up with your plan.